click. So also you can put here, where is the steps? Oh, step will be 1. Control C, Control V, and it will be the 2. And just Control A, copy this, then go here, and then enter, paste it here. Okay. So is it good now?
Yes, it looks good.
That was nice how you took this screenshot and did it so smoothly. You are an expert, Mr. Pranto.
So for enhancement, we need to show it, right, Ranto?
Yeah, it's like now if you're like, let's say if your developer read this, and
Mm-hmm.
after reading this also he can get also the reference. Oh yeah, this is also like, this is how it you want. So he can now get the idea, whole scenarios. Then he can
Okay.
actually easily develop this. He can easily
Mm-hmm.
work on it, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
As
Miss
a,
Amrit, if you recall from today's morning, Mr.
Yes,
Ahmed's
he told
comment that
actually,
he
Shiblu sir,
mentioned
he
that,
said
yeah,
for
use
enhancement,
this
we need
screenshot.
to take the screenshot from previous like features or development, and then we can compare it.
yep. Okay. Okay, so let's do some, just let me do some the titles for the enhancement. Okay. Okay, let me also add another tag here, so that we can also identify which one is actually we are doing for the enhancement. So just simply tag here enhancement. So that means without enhancement, we can ensure that those are actually our existing user story, right? And you can save this. Okay. And then we can actually get some more. So like the student should be able to pause, the notifications. The student should be able to resume the notifications. The student should be able to like set pause the notification for a specific time. Okay, the student should be able to pause the notification for like a specific time, also for a specific duration, like the 1 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes, like this. Okay. Then also this is the preferences. There are also, they have, as I said, they have so many like um functionalities. So let's bring some more here. For the specific time. Should be able to uh, pause the notification to set the custom time. Then the student should be able to resume the notifications. Okay. Then also we added the update Okay, update your status. So this one is also actually the just only the status. So the student should be able to update the status. Then, okay, and here, hmm. Then we can also add. If we go to the profile, so here what we can do, we can actually okay, we can only see the threads message. Okay, this one actually we can bring. The student should be able to view the threads only. Okay, then mentions and reactions, we have already this, and also Slack connect. Okay, here we can also get the unread message. We can also just see the later message, and then drafts and sent. Okay, yeah, this one is important. The student should be able to, the student should have a draft box. Okay, let's say this one is like, let's say I'm typing here something.
And it gets saved automatically, so we can send
Yeah,
it later.
yep, let's say not here, here. So let's say I just type here something new, and then hello, just something, I just want to send you something, then I just immediately just click in another chat. So then it should actually draft here.
We
Okay,
don't have
you're,
this feature, right? We don't have this thing in our TS for you, right?
yeah, no, we don't have with this right now. So if I go to your name again, let me show you. See, if I go here, see, it's gone.
It is not saved.
So yeah, this one is go inside the draft, so that if I go to your chat box again, then I can actually type the message from there, right? Chat box. Okay, then also let's go there. Bookmark is kind of there, like, bookmark, we don't need this. And this is the members. And also you can set the like the specific notifications for the all messages. Like if you get the all, you want to get the notification for all messages, you can select the all messages. If you want to get the notification only for if someone mention you, that time you just only want to see the notification. And also you can only stop the notification for a specific channel. See, you won't get any notification. And mute channel, like it's muted, so that means you will not get any message or anything there. Okay, So we can do this also. And the student should be able to what it was like get notifications. The student should be able to set the notification for a specific channel. Okay. Okay, this one is the hurdle. Hurdle is like though they have inside their paid. So hurdle is like if you click on the hurdle. So let's say in this channel you have like 10 members or 20 members. Okay. So if you click on the hurdle, then that means you are in a call on this channel. So other members they can also join in your call, and then you guys can communicate immediately. Okay, you guys
Okay.
can talk immediately. So
Okay.
this one is actually the hurdle. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then also like here we added
But we are going to receive that notification for huddle, right?
yes, I mean like yep, there will be a message on the chat like yeah, that Amrita is on the like call.
All.
Okay,
Okay.
Amrita is on
Mhm.
call. So that
Mhm.
means if you there will be a button, so if you click on there join, so you will also in a part of that call.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. And here this one is actually the history. So if you click on the history, you can actually get the history of a specific channel or of a specific like what it calls any specific members. You can actually get the history also. So this one also you can do like of channel. Okay. Then able to view the history of a individual member. Okay. So, oh, these are the enhancement. So, do you have like, if you guys have also something more, or like the enhancement, you can also bring some more. But yep, this is the like we can work on this, and also like here, if I show you the filtering,
Mhm.
though these are filtering like if I want to get any specific like keyword from, I mean the chat.
Name or
Let's say
something.
if I want to search for a specific word, I have like so many communication I have with you, and I want to just check any specific message. I want to get any specific message. I can actually specific the time. I can also like who with you and which channel, and then also from where. I mean, I can also do this. So this one is the filter by. This one is like the one is the channel purpose. Okay, we can
Right.
also filtering this. So this one also you
Like
can
in
do.
Gmail, right? We can search our, like we can type out the word and it can show up all the things, right? With filter. It is
Sorry,
almost.
can I repeat again?
In Gmail, actually we have almost the same kind of feature. Do you think it is the same thing?
In the Gmail, like in the Gmail, yeah,
No,
if you can.
chat application and this Gmail application is two different things. But you just sit down and look and the compare what is the common. But we are building the chat application.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let me write this one. Then you guys can actually explore this. And then, okay, let me do this. The student should be able to, what it is, like, oh, shit. Filter the text or filter the messages. Okay. Okay, so these are the things like the enhancement, also the title we have added. So I already showed you also like how you can actually take the screenshot, how you can actually like mark all of those, and also you can add all of those inside your user story. So, and also like I will recommend you, if you want to enhance, if you have some more user stories to enhancement, you can add those, and we will, after gathering all of those in user stories, then we will actually what it calls, we will actually work with those user story to our developers. Okay, so then you will see that the enhancement also in the existing application.
Okay.
Good deal.
Okay,
Our developer will be estimating them and will start developing the front end.
and
back.
even also you will work on with the QA also, because they will also test based on your user story.
Right. Okay.
Exciting, right?
That is a bit complicated too, I feel like.
Of course, when you build something, it always like this. Oh, very good. So today should be the user story. So this week you guys cannot say anything else. Must give all the user story, write the existing user story to wrap up, and write the new user story, write the enhancement user story, because this is all about everything. Okay. This is the important part. This is the most I will not say the complex. It is with the time being, everything goes easy, everything becomes normal. But this is the important part. This is the core part actually. Other thing is reporting, managing people, implementing the tools, giving the access permission, follow up, and update other people, leader, this and that.
Okay.
Good guys.
Mr. Ahmed, I have a question, if you don't mind.
Go ahead, please.
We have been going through this, and as we are new, I find it very complicated, but I know, as you mentioned, that as we practice, it will get easier and easier. My question is, I'm still kind of not very clear about the dependency writing and the acceptance criteria. What
Got
should
it.
we look?
Okay. So acceptance criteria is like what do you do step by step in order to complete the user story.
Yes.
One more time. Okay, so let me tell you this. I want to go to school at 7 a.m. Okay, that's the user story, correct?
Yes.
So the acceptance criteria will be, acceptance criteria is like the step by step kind of the walk you through. I have to wake up. I have to fresh up myself. I have to actually go to my car. I have to start my car. I have to actually start driving my car. I have to go to school, and I'm in the class. So acceptance criteria almost like what the steps you'll be doing. So now you can say why you do this, because that's how the QA learn. That's how the developer knows what you're trying to accomplish. So good about the acceptance criteria. Now the dependency is, okay. So an example, I want to wake up. I fresh up, that's good. So if you do not have the water, you cannot fresh up, right? So that's what dependency. Okay, so you have the water, you have to mention it. Okay. And then you say I need it and I want to drive, I have to start my car. Well, you need a car, right? And the car need to have everything is ready. Car need to be
Yeah.
running situation, right?
Yes.
So those kind of your dependency. Whatever you need in order to complete your steps is called the dependency.
Yes, thank you. I understand because while we are practicing today on our like user stories, and I made some mistakes, like my dependencies were too long.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, you are just started. So something will be complex. It is the common sense, and we are good.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Any other question, guys?
No,
User
sir.
history, user history. Write the user history, you will see. That's all the benefits. You will be driving the team professionally. You will be understanding. You will be driving on the driving seat. So this is the most important part. Everything else based on this user story. Your communication will be based on the user story. You're setting up the meeting based on the user story. You are sending an email based on the user story. You'll be talking in a group based on the user story. Everything on based on this, because that's the product owner role. Good?
Yes,
you.
we understand.
Thank you. We have 1 p.m. the 1 p.m. the webinar. Join, so you guys will learn.
Thank you.